Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to sign up to Brainly account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already installed Brainly app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Brainly app. Here we go. This appears. Now tap on sign up on the top right corner. Here you have to fill up your email. After you are done, you can tap on sign up on that blue icon. Now tap on next. Now you have to pick a password for your Brainly account. After you are done, you can tap on next on that blue icon. Now you have to fill up this information. Here you have to choose the country. You have to choose your age. You have to select what did you hear about Brainly and how did you hear about Brainly. Here I will be choosing social media. Now you have to tap on next. Here you can choose I am a student and tick on the small box and tap on sign up. Here you can see I have easily sign up to Brainly account. In this way you can also sign up to Brainly account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.